Hello YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. 2023 gardening season is here and it's time to put some plants in the ground. I'm Jerry and I'm living the Newcomb life. Alright guys, on today's video it's time to clean out the garden and get everything ready so we can start planting our plant starts. Alright guys, so before we get started I'm going to go over what we plan on planting this year in our flat garden, raised beds, and our tubs and 5-gallon buckets. For those of you that don't know, these are our tubs. This is my 5-gallon bucket grow table. There's an extra tub right there. This is our flat garden right here. We have grow bags in the back along that fence line. And these are Dawn's raised beds with her cattle panel garden trellis. So what we're going to do is Dawn wants to plant cucumbers along this edge right here. We have 3 different varieties of cucumbers that we're going to plant. And the reason why we are going to do that is because it's a vining variety and it's going to crawl up that trellis like it did last year. Dawn was very happy with that. And then on this front end, all along the edge and on the other far edge, we're going to plant onions, maybe some radishes on this end right here. And then on this side, on the other side of the cattle panel, over here, along this edge, we're going to plant a ton of pole beans with the same thought about the cucumbers, that they're going to climb up this trellis right here. And we'll be able to harvest everything as it's coming down from the trellis. Like I said before, we'll have onions along this edge, and we're not quite sure what we're going to plant in the middle yet. Maybe some extra tomatoes or anything else that we can think of. So this year we're going to plant peas, because last year we had tomatoes here, so as not to kind of burn out the soil, we're going to plant peas in there. And then I think these 2 rows, we're going to plant different varieties of tomatoes and zucchini and squash over here. We're not quite sure about our grow bags yet. And the plan is to plant asparagus in that tub. We'll see how that goes. A jalapeno pepper, a couple of sweet banana peppers, several sweet bell peppers, and then carrots in that tub and possibly in that tub too. And then we're going to have turnips back there and beets in that one. But so this is pretty much the layout of our garden. We usually get a pretty big harvest in such a small piece of property. So as you can see behind me, the flat garden and the raised beds need some cleanup. So I'm going to take care of that real quick. Alright guys, so these are our 2 boxes of our plant starts. Just a reminder, these are all pole beans. These 2 rows are pole beans, and then we have 2 rows each of 3 varieties of cucumbers here that we're going to plant. So everything on Dawn's side is going to be all pole beans. So Dawn is going to set hers out now to have them properly spaced, and then I'm gonna set out the cucumbers over on this side so that we can plant those.
I mean, they're supposed to be 3 inches apart, so that is really on top of each other.
Look at the roots.
Yeah. The roots in those cucumbers are nuts. They're like on top of the ground.
Check this out, guys. So this is one of the cucumbers that we started. Look at the roots on that thing. Good grief. Is that nuts? Fantastic. All right, guys, so Dawn is about 90% done with the pole beans. I got all of the cucumbers in right there, and we're still not 100% sure exactly what we're gonna fill the raised beds with, but cucumbers and pole beans, it's a good start. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's free and it really helps our channel grow. And hit that notification bell so you're up to date on all of our upcoming videos, because we got a lot more coming. Garden season is just starting and we're going to post a lot more videos. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you on the next one.